I've been obsessed for years that we are the only country that I know of in the developed world that has this paperwork heavy, even if it's electronic, difficult process for filing our income taxes with our federal government. And pretty much everywhere else in the country, in the developed world, not our country, income taxes are automatically figured. Now, in the United States, we're in a cycle of a great deal of distrust in institutions of all kinds, including especially government in the United States. And so there's a lot of reluctance on people's part to use what's known as direct file. And it is available in a pilot this year in the United States and is completely optional. If you're not freaked out that the IRS would compute your tax return for you, then you can do direct file under certain circumstances. And for this year, you can only do it in 13 states and only for certain taxpayers. So if you own your own business, you're not doing this. This is for people who get a W-2 from a place of work, or they get Social Security. UI is okay. If you were unemployed part of 23, you can do it. And if you earn a small amount of interest each year on savings accounts, you can do it. And that's all the people that can do it this year in the states that are in the program. And so the states are Alaska, California, Florida, New Hampshire, Nevada, Massachusetts, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Wyoming, and did I say Arizona? Are the ones that you can do this if you have a simple, streamlined return. And it's all part of just testing the waters for what in our country is being called direct file. But again, this is how taxes are done pretty much everywhere else in high-income countries other than the United States. There is not all this collecting of stacks of paperwork and going to an accountant who does tax or using tax prep software. There is no real hassle for most taxpayers in other countries having to file income tax. And it's a unique, weird thing we do in the United States. And as an individual, know that we are forever from this being how everybody has to do taxes in the United States because of our independent streak that so many of us have in the U.S. and distrust of government that so many people have in the United States. This will, for a long, long time, remain, maybe forever, a voluntary thing. But in my belief, it will become common that many people will want to do taxes direct file and eliminate the current hassles involved with and fees involved with filing taxes each year.